Hello everyone, I'm Christian and I want to talk to you about our Journey into the Heart events that I'm currently running with Chris Lane. So Journey into the Heart is a beautiful 2-hour session where we use music, mantras and the flutes and the breath to go deep into our own heart. During the week, during our lives, we get busy, so then we stop connecting with ourselves. We feel disconnected. And as we feel disconnected from ourselves, we feel disconnected from everyone else around us. So Journey into the Heart is an offering that allows us to stop the mind and drop into the heart so we can hear what the heart has to say. We forget who we are. We forget about everything that is important to us because we get in our heads. And in that process, we start living our lives in autopilot. And then we stop enjoying things. So as we disconnect from us, we disconnect from our families, from our children, from our colleagues, from the community. So this is an opportunity for us to not only reconnect with ourselves, but to bring this gift to our families, to our children. So I invite you to come along. We do some very gentle breathing. You don't even have to do the breathing. You can just lie there and enjoy the music from Chris, which is beautiful, beautiful sacred music that he plays. You can just go there, do a very gentle breathing, and just relax and let go of the mind. So I deeply encourage you to join us. We have a few dates on our bio. So you check our bio, you can see the upcoming events. And it's very affordable as well, so it's for the community. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you there.